distinguished guests, dear colleagues, it's a great pleasure to open the 21st edition of the Romanian International Conference on Chemistry and Chemical Engineering. I welcome you all to the Romanian International Conference on Chemistry and Chemical Engineering, organized by the Faculty of Applied Chemistry and Material Science from Polytechnica University of Bucharest. Organized every 2 years, the scientific event brings together participants, the invited lecturers for many countries. For this edition, we have more than 400 papers with authors from 28 countries and a significant number of reputed invited lecturers. On behalf of the organizing committee, I wish to express our big thanks to you all participants. It's the first time when the conference is organized to the Black Sea. All the time the conference was in Bucharest or in the different mountains resorts such as Sinaia, Sibiu, and the last edition in Poiana, Brașov. The topic of conference is correlated with 6 sections, namely advance in organic and inorganic chemistry and catalysis, food, health and bioresources, physical chemistry, electrochemistry and corrosion, new concepts in biochemical and chemical engineering, monitoring and environmental protection, materials and nanomaterials. The Romanian International Conference on Chemistry and Chemical Engineering create a context for scientific discussions between professors and researchers from all over the world. I must mention that this event benefits from the support of the Romanian Society of Chemistry and Romanian Society of Chemical Engineering, and of course, Costin Elițescu Foundation. I must mention that this event is possible thanks to the contribution of our sponsors, and I express our big thank you for their support. I wish you all success in your presentations, and I sincerely hope that you will enjoy the conference.
So it's very nice when you are at home. So we are at home here even if we are at Mamaia, but we are in Romania. So especially for our foreign guests present today in this big hall. When the Council Board of the Faculty of Applied Chemistry and Material Science decided about 2 years ago that this edition would take place at the Black Sea coast, we had a feeling that the edition will be one of the best editions until now. And it's right because the number of participants is really very, very high. And it's not probably only due to the location of the conference today nowadays. So this is the Black Sea coast, which is a famous, also a famous resort of Romania, Mamaia, but also because the prestigious of the Faculty of Applied Chemistry and Material Science already is very well known in Europe and in the world. Faculty of Applied Chemistry and Material Science is one of the faculties of the Polytechnic University of Bucharest, which is now the biggest technical university in Romania, enrolled more than 35,000 students in all the degrees, bachelor, master and PhD students. But besides all, the Polytechnic University of Bucharest is a main actor of research and education in Romania. The number of granting of contracts, of projects at European level says a lot about the potential, about the power of our university in Romania, but not only in Romania, also in this region of Europe and as a part of Europe. Polytechnic University of Bucharest is now part of the most prestigious consortia in Europe, not only for research, but also for administration, for business. Polytechnic University of Bucharest is part of the CSER consortium in Europe, which is one of the famous consortium for schools, for advanced schools of science and technology in Europe. We are the only university in Romania part of CSER now. Of course, the role of faculty of applied chemistry and material science in our university is very important. And I want to give you one figure which I like all the time during these conferences, where all the time when I have occasion to do it, is a figure concerning the power of this faculty, concerning the output of the research activity of the faculty inside the university. So more than 40% of the total papers of the published in the university is in very well internationally recognized journals, are coming with authors from our faculty, from the Faculty of Applied Chemistry and Material Science. And when we saw the last results, also the best papers are coming from the faculty, from our faculty. And also the best researchers with a very high Hirsch index are coming from the Faculty of Applied Chemistry and Material Science. All these things are very well known at the level of the Council Board of the University Polytechnic of Bucharest. And I'm here also to express my gratitude for all the activity of my colleagues in the faculty now, and also for the foreign guests which are present so numerous today in the conference. We have for the first time guests from abroad from 38 countries around the world, including the United States, Australia, and other countries quite far away from Romania. I want to express my gratitude that you are today with us in Romania, in Mamaia. And why not, I want to invite you all to visit our new facilities for research infrastructure in our university in Bucharest. On the overall, I am deeply honored that I am here with you today, and I want just to express my wishful sickness that in the future, in these days, you will be very happy to take part in a great conference. And on behalf of the Council Board of the University Polytechnic of Bucharest, I wish you very fruitful days during the conference. Many hours spent in this room, perhaps some hours spent also on the beach, why not? And I am sure that this edition will be of much success. Thank you very much to all.
As our Dean just mentioned, I'm here on behalf of the Romanian International Society. As part of the executive board, I was sent here to express a warm welcome from the Chemical Society, which is in every corner of this country in the chemical lab. When we start planning our year, normally we put in our schedule the events that we would like to meet. And normally, Romanian International Conference on Chemistry and Chemical Engineering is present in most of our agendas. I asked myself why is this happening, because now this conference is on 21st edition, so it's quite traditional in Romania. I think it's the love that people could share within this conference. We gather people here from all around Romania, but not only from Romania, from our colleagues from abroad are coming in, and some of them I know they're pretty happy and anxious to participate in editions which take place in several parts of the country. And this is a good opportunity to meet and talk and have joyful and fruitful discussion around chemistry and life itself, because chemistry is our life. That's the situation. Therefore, I'm here to express the gratitude of the Romanian Chemical Society Board on your presence here, and I hope that all of you will enjoy this edition as you did in other editions, and Romanian International Conference on Chemistry and Chemical Engineering will stay a landmark in your books for the next editions. Thank you.
Good evening. I see that I now work from this cell because you are the same at the last session of the Romanian Chemical Engineering Society. I take supplementary that I am present to the all 21 manifestation. So, the first part of Romanian chemical engineering, Romanian chemical RICCCE begin with the root before the changement of the political system in Romania. So, as young student, as young assistant, as young lecturer, I am as participant to the first manifestation of the RICCCE. So now it's very, very different by respect to the old times. But the progress is normally so. In the name of Romanian Chemical Engineering Society, I wish to all to have a wonderful day in Mamaia, to have a wonderful paper here, to have success in work. Thank you.